So here's one amazing car gadget which you probably didn't know you actually needed. I'm talking about the TEXUM TX25 portable high pressure car washer. Gone are the days where you had to fill buckets and take mugs to wash your car. This high pressure washer is going to solve all your problems and leave your car spick spock clean. This high pressure car washer from TEXUM gets a 2000 watt motor. It gets 8 liter per minute of flow rate and gets a maximum pressure of 165 bar. This operates on a single phase of 240 volts 50 Hz power supply and weighs about close to 8 kilograms. Now the best thing about this TEXUM portable high pressure car washer is that it gets plenty of accessories. Starting off, it gets an inlet pipe of 3 meters and an outlet pipe of 8 meters. It also gets an extender for the spray gun. You also get a tap connector, a microfiber sponge, a push-in connector, a double priming filter, a multi-functional adapter which is transparent, and you also get a foam bottle. So that's a plenty lot of accessories for the price this high pressure washer comes at, and all the accessories are pretty much extremely useful. This high pressure washer also gets a heavy duty induction motor along with advanced total stop system. Now this gets a dual water intake method and also gets a adjustable spray nozzle. This means you can adjust the spray to a narrow fan or a wide fan by just turning around the knob given right on the gun, and it makes things so much easier. This high pressure washer is more specifically made for washing cars and of course two-wheelers as well. You can also use this to clean the floors, you can also use this to clean the garden and many other applications such as cleaning the wall, cleaning your fence, cleaning your roof or even the road in front of your house. This has plenty of applications, and the kind of pressure and the kind of water spray you get from this, it's simply too good for the price. So the basic working of this high pressure washer is pretty much simple. All you need to do is just connect the double priming filter to the inlet pipe at one end and connect the other end of the inlet pipe to the high pressure washer using the multifunctional adapter. Then take the external pipe and attach it to the high pressure washer, and on the other end you just have to fit in the spray gun. Now you can also use the extender if you want to push the gun into some hard to reach areas, but if not, you can directly use the gun just as such. This device also gets a pressure gauge right at the top, and you also get an insulated button which is very thoughtful because it can get very wet and can happen that you have a lot of spray around of water which can fall on the device. So it's totally safe from any electrical issue. Now one of the most practical thing about this device is that you can simply use a bucket of water to wash your car. You don't have to be connected to a continuous water supply or a tap that has a continuous water flow. All you need is just a bucket full of water. You can just place the filter in and place the inlet pipe inside and you're pretty much done. This makes things so much more convenient because not everyone and not everywhere you have continuous water supply running. So since this is a portable car washer, you can just carry it around anywhere with this electrical supply. Take a bucket of water and wash your car, wash your bike and use it for all the cleaning purposes which you want to use it for. And of course you can also connect it to a continuous water flow tap, or you can even put the inlet pipe into a water tank for a non-stop supply of water. But just in case if you don't have access to those, a bucket of water will do the job for you. That's so convenient now, isn't it? The length of the outlet pipe is close to 8 meters, and that's also something which is very practical because we need to go around the car while washing, and having that sufficient amount of length becomes a critical feature. And TEXUM has thought of it and they've provided a 8-meter external pipe. This device is simply perfect for your home use. I mean, you don't have to take your car for a wash the next time you get this device. You can simply do it at home within a matter of 10 to 15 minutes and also save yourself a lot of water because this works straight out of a bucket of water. So do not waste any more of your time. Go ahead, grab this TEXUM high pressure car washer, portable high pressure car washer at a price of about close to 4,000 rupees. The purchase links are given in the description below. Go ahead, click down on the description. Go ahead and grab it right now before somebody else does. And if you do have any queries or doubts regarding this, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who have cars and who need some car washing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.